Okay, so we're now on what is described as the Rock. So in front of us here, this is the Royal Palace, and you can go around, and then these are other government buildings and houses. So, and it's quite amazing that Bruno's son Frederick and Bob, they both went to school with Princess Caroline's children, and Frederick just wanders in this palace as he sees fit. All the guards know him because he's a friend of Princess Caroline's, well, one of the princesses, her daughter. So he just wanders in here without any sort of, and the guards actually give him a little salute and a little nod. So he's definitely moving in the right circles here in Monaco. But yeah, this is rather nice, and it's nice that there's lots of people here touristing about. Look at all the old cannons. They're very smart, aren't they? Look at these cannons. They're wicked. I wonder if they still work. Let's see. Let's do a blow up of a cannon, eh? Yeah. And then we look down at the mountains. Little park. Some more cannons there.
Zullen we even doorlopen hier?
Ah.